Imagine you want to own a piece of a famous painting like the Mona Lisa, but it's way too expensive to buy the whole thing. Fractional NFTs are like buying shares in that painting, allowing you to own a tiny piece of something valuable without breaking the bank. Fractional NFTs are non-fungible tokens that have been divided into smaller fungible tokens. This opens up the world of NFTs to a wider audience. This democratizes access to high-value NFTs, making them more accessible to everyday investors. The process of fractionalizing an NFT typically involves a smart contract. The original NFT owner locks the NFT into the contract, which then splits it into the smaller tokens. These tokens can be ERC20 tokens, which are the standard for fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. There are several benefits to fractional NFTs, like increased accessibility, enhanced liquidity, price discovery, and monetization opportunity. However, there are also some potential risks to consider, like regulatory uncertainty, smart contract risks, and liquidity issues. Overall, fractional NFTs are a promising innovation in the NFT space, offering new opportunities for investors, creators, and collectors. However, it is important to understand the risks and do your research before investing in fractional NFTs. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more creative use cases and applications for fractional NFTs in the future.